Very good morning, all of you. I think some people are joining, but that's fine. They can keep coming. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Vaibhav, and I'm in education sector from last 10 plus year. I was in investment banking and then decided to be a part of education. So quit in 2010 and then started my venture in education in 2010 onwards. So right now it's approximately 10 years plus that I've been in this industry. So just to give you a small overview, I think all of us are aware that technology and education has been going hand in hand from quite a long time now. But the the crisis which is there right now, the impact of Corona has been phenomenal on education sector and particularly on teachers and schools. So a lot of us have been forced to switch to some modes which we were not very comfortable with in the past, or which was essentially a tool. As we were talking, I mean, as you all know that we started with something called a smart class. So if you see in the past, it used to be a small 3D content which used to be available, animation, and that used to be the kind of educational edtech which we now refer as edtech. It used to be the technology in education. So now, but over the last few years, there are not many tools which are available for technological tools which are available for education and which are making education much more fun. So just to give you a small overview, in 2010 when I started a venture on technology that was on satellite. So we were taking classes on satellite and training students across the country. So technology has evolved quite a lot from there because of the internet penetration right now, the kind of platforms we have, and the connectivity which is available right now. We all are having a very good प्लेटफॉर्म्स which you can use. तो आपने देखा होगा कि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, जैसे अगर हम बात करें, Zoom was never a platform for education per se. मतलब ये एक business to business communication meeting के लिए एक platform था, but the opportunity came and we all got used to it. Secondly, आपने Google के बारे में सुना होगा. Google पे बहुत सारे लोग क्लासेस भी ले रहे हैं. As good as WhatsApp is being used now. तो ये सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज जो है इवॉल्व हुई है. लेकिन मैं आपको अगर सिंपल टर्म्स में बताऊं तो व्हाई देयर इज अ नीड फॉर दिस प्लेटफॉर्म्स. मैं आप लोगों को जस्ट एक ओवरव्यू देना चाह रहा हूं कि हम टेक्नोलॉजी को इतना एम्फसाइज क्यों कर रहे हैं. एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स गोना गो अवे वेरी इजीली. ये मेरा अपना पर्सनल थॉट है, लेकिन आई थिंक आप लोग भी ये एग्री करेंगे कि इट्स नॉट इजी that the technology will be just wiped out. We have communication which is going on to the parents to technology. We have reports which have been sent for the students, their awards. And now with the crisis, now we are all so used to this kind of platform that we might have to continue. So there are various platforms on EdTech, as good as small as WhatsApp is a technology and platform. We have Google, and we have Google Classrooms, again a small platform. Zoom is a platform, but technologically there are some tools which are very effective in making the classrooms more interactive. So you would have heard about Kahoot, you would have heard about Edpuzzle and some other tools also. So I think there are certain sessions which have already been conducted by MTD on this regard. So today the whole emphasis of this session will be on a platform which is a complete platform as such. And why I'm talking about a complete platform, because this platform you have probably everything available, from the recorded videos to tests to question banks to past year papers to textbook solutions, everything. So what I'll do is I'll take you down to a small overview and presentation, and I'll take you to live demo of the product and how we all can use it. So that will be a good way of going around it. If you have any concerns, any questions, please type in the chat. I will be happy to answer them all. As and when things proceed, you will get to know almost all the things clearly. So what I'll do is I'll start sharing my screen. So first and foremost, I'll do one thing. I'll just directly take you to Topper is basically a platform which is it's an old platform, but right now it's owned by Network 18 Group. So Network 18 Group is basically a part of Network 18 is a part of Reliance Industries. which is now, categorized into the subsidiary of Jio. So Network 18 is a very big platform, to be very honest. And now you talk about a lot of big companies, from Big Book My Show to the First Post and MTV, and all those channels are basically owned by this media giant. And why I'm talking about the journey and the background of the company, because what I feel is that over the last few years, recently last 2 years, we have seen considerable amount of investment done in technology, and we have seen a significant upgrade in technology uh, from the company, and there has been significant investment, and we have all seen the kind of growth that we have seen. So I'm just trying to give you a background that the kind of the company we are dealing with. Why I'm talking about this is because they are continuously investing and making this product a much bigger platform. So this is all the platform, all about the company. In the recent board meeting which was conducted, there was a discussion that Jio will be putting all the topper classes on their set-top box. Now that's something which is very big, because a lot of time as a teacher, as a trainer, we face a problem that how students will access this at their home. We need to procure or provide them a login, or give them an access to a classroom, and invest in some amount of technology through an app or whatever. Now that is not needed, because all these classes will slowly and gradually will move ahead for the set-top box, also in the Reliance Jio set-top box. Now I'm just opening another PDF. Just give me 1 second, and then we'll directly take ahead that why there is a need of this product. Yes. So as I was talking about, it's a one-stop destination. It is ideally catered to schools, but after a conversation with a lot of teachers, we felt that coaching industry, and particularly individual teachers, are facing a big concerns and big problems right now, and so we extended this platform. So just to give an overview, some of the achievements of this platform and why we can boast about that this has been thoroughly researched and detailed content. There were around 81% of the topics which was asked in the latest ICSE SST exam in 2020. Around 61% of the questions which was asked from the same content that was available on the platform in the CBSE Science Board exams, and around 67% in other exams also. So it gives you a testimony in itself that there are significant amount of concepts which are properly aligned with the curriculum which is given by CBSE or ICSE, which are the two big boards. Now these are the small overview of the platform. So as I was telling you, a student need a basic resources, but in here we have probably everything. You talk about sample papers which you need for board students or any students who is aspiring to to get a better marks for their academic year. Sample papers are there, they're the past year papers. Now MIQ is something which is thoroughly researched by a team of ITLs or other PhDs who have been part of the academic team. And there are textbook solutions. So you talk about R.D. Sharma, you talk about R.S. Agarwal, or any other book which is very famous for students. All the textbook solution, and this is the licensed textbook solution. The textbook can be bought by the kid, but for all the questions, solutions are thoroughly available here. There are revision notes, and there is a doubt window available. So a student can just pose the doubt in case a student wants to go through. There are times when a student is not, cannot access the teacher. Maybe in the night he is studying, he just have a doubt, and he just post in the group. So the moderators will revert. And the biggest advantage is this: there are two unique things. One is a video. Now videos are something, it's a library, it's a thoroughly researched library. It is as per the requirement of NCERT and higher order things, as well as the tests are something which is a very essential part, and we all face a problem in terms of conducting the test online right now. So this product talks about a complete overview from 6th to 10th. We have all the solutions in the video form for maths and science, as well as other subjects like Hindi, social studies, and English. You have a weekly test platform through which you can continuously check the students. Just a minute. Continuously check the students about how they're performing, what is the report, and there are multiple avenues through which you can communicate with the parents also. Now in this time, we all understand that we need to have a clear communication with parents as well as students. So all those things are very well thoroughly defined here. I'll just skip this and directly take you to the training point. So this is the overview of the curriculum that is available. We have probably every board right now, from CBSE to state boards, also in JEE, NEET, NTSC, and building on the foundation part. So most important aspect for all of us, which we need to understand, is that, just a minute, which we need to understand is that how we can effectively utilize this platform in our day-to-day teaching. So without taking too much of time, I'll just directly take you to the interface that is there for this platform. Just a minute. Yes, so the platform that we're talking about is something which we call as Topper School, because it's catered for B2B segment or schools. Now, as I was telling you all, that it is a very important platform, because now it has access to all the tablets or mobiles or a laptop. Now, what we're talking about, what students going to get out of this? So there are more than 4,000 plus video lectures which are available on the platform. So there is no need, as we're talking about a lot of platforms, maybe Edpuzzle or any other Kahoot or whatever. There are a lot of things which are ready, but there are a lot of things which you need to customize. Now, all these things are Indianized. These are required as per the mandatory requirement of the syllabus. So all these topics and videos are done in detail as per the requirement of the respective boards. There are revision notes which are more than 600 for all the classes. We have sample papers, past year papers, a question bank which talks about more than 1 lakh questions, and based on the thorough research and analysis of the board paper, as well as important schools or the major schools of the country which conducts this thorough analysis, and we find out what are the most important questions. And when we talk about textbook solutions, we have more than 100 books which are available and which are licensed copy for the solution part. So as this could be an add to your live classes, there's something that I would strictly recommend for all of you, that you guys are taking a live classes for your students, but a lot of time what you feel is that we're missing an element, that how students are involved after the classes are over. So it's an after classroom support program where you can involve a lot of your students in the learning and you can measure their outcome. So this is how the whole platform looks like. You will be given a login ID. Now here I'll just like to explain a few things to all of you. It could be that you only buy one login and you show your students the complete platform, or you show your students the videos, you take them to the practice of the most important questions, give them notes from this. So that is possible. And if you want that, you can buy for all your students, that is also available. So as right now we're talking about a school, suppose we gave it to a school, the school logo will be visible on the page, so that it looks as if this is owned and completely handled by the school or the classes that we are providing to. So there are 4 platforms. Right now, let's talk about what is the need of this platform and why we are talking about this. So first, I'm going to talk about teachers. So as a teacher, a lot of time what happens is that we also have a bandwidth, and a lot of time there are multiple classes going on, so we need to prepare. So a teacher can go through the videos, go through the class notes. There are very structured class notes available, so that will help you to just brush up certain things before you enter the classroom, and then use these tools to teach. So this is the interface that will be available for the students. A student or a teacher can log in and see the kind of interface which is available. So you can see all the subjects under my class. Then there are tests which you can assign. So there are practice tests, there are multiple types of questions which are available. So you have MCQs, you have short type, you have multiple types, true and false, fill in the blanks. So all those types of questions are also available for a teacher to assign to students. Now, the most important part, a lot of time we talk about that, okay, I'm teaching a chapter, but that chapter has to be divided into 5 parts, because I cannot take the classes, and complete the topic in one go. So here the beauty is that there is every topic, it's segmented and divided properly. So I'll now take you down to the live session, the live interactive interface. You guys. So as a teacher, you can select which board you want to take. This is a demo, so I'm just taking class 10th, and there are multiple sections that you can add. You can create it as a badge. So as you can see, once you log in, you have this complete interface. So if let's talk about science. So when I'm going to science, there are broadly divided into three. Let's talk about chemistry. So a student has this chapters in its class 10 CBSE. And I'm talking about chemical reactions and equations. It is then subdivided into five topics. So what happens is, as a teacher, a lot of just planning and implementation goes in this. So now it's divided that you have concept videos available. So I'll just play one video, and I just need a small confirmation if you can listen to the audio once the video is. I think you got an idea of what we are talking about. Like this, there are multiple videos. So a student can be allotted a certain video, and then he can go through a particular video. So let's go to some other subjects. Maybe mathematics is something which a lot of teachers and students face a problem, because writing in mathematics on this online technological tools are very difficult. So let's talk about a chapter like quadratic equation. Because again, equations are an important thing. So see, when we click on any of these chapters, all the videos are available. Now these are concept videos, and there are also can be when we go into the video section and we select a particular subject, we can also see a problem solving videos. Now why I'm talking about problem solving is because problem solving is something which is very important. A lot of time we cannot take each and every question in mathematics. Now it is very okay. So what I was telling you is that as we've seen that video, now there are in video section, when we go, we see that there are two kinds of videos which are available in the platform. One is the concept videos. Concept videos are more of a theoretical explanations and the conceptual clarity that we give to the students, an overview of the chapter. But a lot of time it's not possible for us to solve probably every question in the class. So there, all this application video gives us an overview. I'm just clicking on one video and trying to understand and make you explain how these videos will also be helpful for all of us, the teachers.
Hello students, now we are going to see an application based problem on arithmetic progression. The question says, if the fifth term of an AP is 31 and 25th term is 140 more than the fifth term, find the AP. The general form of any AP is given by A, A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. So basically, we have to find out the value of A and the value of D. So how we will find out? We will find out from the conditions which are given in the question. The first condition is the fifth term of an AP is 31. So A5 is 31. Now we know that nth term of any AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Now here the fifth term is 31. So I can write down this as A plus.
So like this, we have a lot of conceptual video as well as application video.
So show something for English.
English, okay, I'll do that.
So chapter-wise explanation, poem explanation, and all it is not given.
So, ma'am, in theoretical classes like in English, it's more of the notes and the content that is available for revision, but the classes are not recorded per se. I'll also check with the team, and if there are any update, I'll maybe communicate with you. Once you fill up the form at the end of the class, you can just let me know. If you want any social studies or any other thing, then I'll take it.
Do we have maps? What about the maps, sir?
Yeah, maps is there, ma'am. As you can see on the top.
Maps. Geographical maps.
Geographical maps. Just a minute. I'll just see. It's in CBSE, ma'am?
Yes, CBSE. Sir, we are before the state board.
Okay, state board. Maybe, ma'am, state board, I'm just using a demo login, so that's for CBSE. For state board, again, I'll request if you can conduct MTT, and internally they will share your details with me. I'll share your demo login for state board as well. You can go through in detail. I
Great.
request all of you that once you fill up the form, we will all be sharing a demo login for all of you. You can go through the login, explore it in detail. What are the things that could be very helpful, and how we can take it and utilize in our platform on online classes. So this is more of a self learning. It's like assigning a student what they can do at home, or suppose you've done trigonometry today, and then you tell a student to go and watch the video, do an exercise, and come back to you. That will help you to keep a track whether the student is studying at home. Now, just to give you an example, in test section there are multiple things which are available. So let's take the revision notes of a certain chapter. So I'm talking about biology. Let's talk about life processes. So when you click on that chapter, you will be able to download a 4 or 5 pager. This is a 20-pager revision notes for biology. Now, the beauty of this is this could be downloaded from here. This can be downloaded and you can send it to the students on WhatsApp as well. So the complete chapter is revised in a concise form of what nutrients are all about, and then with a clear explanation, colorful explanation, and labeling and detailing, you can give your students to revise the chapter in thorough detail. So like this is available for all the chapters. When we're talking about any chapter, this is all available. We're talking about sample papers for class 10. The students need sample paper. We're talking about, let's talk about science. So you can see that there are a lot of sample papers which are available. More than around 15 sample papers with their solutions are available. There are textbook solutions which I was talking about. Now this is very important for subject like maths or sciences, because there you need to write everything, explain everything in detail. So let's talk about physics now. Physics requires a lot of annotation and other things. So when you talk about Lakhvir Singh Manjidkar, this is a very famous book which is used in CBSE. What they've done is they've given exercise wise chapter 1, exercise 5 in electricity. Every question they've given a solution. So solution of question number 6 is volt, question number 7 is this, question number 8 in a detailed form, how the calculations are done. So a lot of time you don't have to worry about how do I explain the calculations part. So all those things are done and properly available here. We can also see for mathematics maybe. So what I'll do is I'll just go there. So this is an NCERT book solution, which is again available. So exercise 1.1, how do you get the answer? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So everywhere the kid is aware of what he has to do in every step, and wherein he can lose marks. Now, all these are tools to enhance the learning outcomes and ensure that the kid is doing a thorough justice of what we have been telling him to do. Now, these are the previous year papers. So as you can see, this is updated till 2020. And it starts from 2007. So last 13-year board papers are available. Maybe I'll just click on one other paper. So this is Delhi set 3. And the paper will be available right here. So a student need not have to go and buy any supplementary books. A lot of time when we talk about, buying a book, parents say, okay, last time we bought this book and we already have invested, and the books are pretty expensive. So now this takes care of all these things. Now this is a solution, step-by-step solution as per CBSE blueprint of how you need to attempt the paper. So as a student, he gets to know a lot of resources and a complete overview of how he can utilize this platform. The next thing which I'm going to talk about is there are a lot of things which you can explore here. So there are most important questions, multiple choice questions. A student is, weak in multiple choice question. He gets confused in 1 or 2 options every time. So he can just go and pick up, any topic of a chapter and just do multiple choice questions from that chapter. So he can select how many questions do I need to give. You can do this in your classrooms. You can take a small test, tell students to, write whatever options they have on the sheet of paper and scan and send immediately. So you can directly keep shifting the questions, And once the test is over, you'll get, if a student is doing a test here, suppose I'm just doing anything random, I'm not looking at the question, just to give you an example. So you can see the moment that how many questions I have attempted. I've attempted out of 5 questions, I've attempted 3 right now, it's become 4. Now I'll just end the test. It'll ask me, once we end the test, we get a result. Now this is something which all the 4 were incorrect. And now you can see solution also. Now that's something which is very unique, because a student has everything right in front of them. So he'll be able to see the solutions step by step. Now, the most important thing for a teacher is that they can allot this test. And here is, there are practice tests which are available for majority of the subjects. Now, these practice tests are automatically built up test, but you can select the topic. Now, if suppose I've done electricity, and I just want to check the knowledge of the students after teaching a chapter like electricity. So I'll do one thing, I'll select the number of questions that I need to keep. Maybe you want to keep 20 questions. You need a completion date. So you can allot a student a specific date. Maybe I want to keep by month end, you need to finish. And you need to give it, proceed to assign. So this is for, if you are taking for all your students, then you can allot to all the students, or you can allot to a specific student also. So sometimes it happens that, one of the students is very weak in a certain subject, and you told him to go through the videos, and then you want to check how the knowledge is right now. So then you can allot it to a specific student, or maybe you can allot to all the students. Once you allot and submit, the test is allotted to them successfully. So this is how you can utilize this platform to assign the test. There is something very unique about this platform, so I'll just take it directly down to that platform. Just a minute. Now here is in assign tab, you have something called generate test. Now it is very unique because a lot of time we find the problem how to create a question bank. So you can select any topic. Maybe I'm again taking mathematics. Select any chapter. You want everything. Don't select anything. You need to give the name of the test. Test 1 maybe. Do you want the name of the chapter on the chapter name on the question paper? Maybe yes. Now instruction. Do all questions or whatever you want to give. Whatever you need to write. Now you need to select what you want. You want only multiple choice. You can select multiple choice. You want fill in the blanks. You want true or false. You want short answer type questions or long answer type questions. So like this, you can generate a test. I'll just take this. Just a minute. Yeah, as you can see, we have selected short answer questions now. And when I do continue, it will take me to all the questions which are there in the database. This is all questions which are available. Okay, so you can actually just click on the question that you want to take. Suppose I've taken one question here. It will just taking some amount of time. Maybe connectivity is a concern at my end. So like this, you can select few questions. Continue to select certain questions that you want. And once you are done, this is a whole lot of questions that you can see. And these are continuously updated by the backend team. So you do not need to worry that, how old the questions are or whether I'll be getting an updated questions. Now, there are only 3 questions which I've allotted. I'm just saying proceed to assign the marks. So total marks also you can allot. See, here it is 1 mark. I can make it maybe 5. Again, make it 5. I'm just doing it for your explanation part. And when you need to, this is, so I'll make it 5. So what we've done is we've basically created a test, and now this test is ready. You can assign it to certain students. The duration can be changed again, how much time you want to give, and again a completion date. So there are customized tests which are available. There are automated tests which are available. So this becomes a very important tool for all of us to understand that maybe just on a click of button we have everything which is available. And as a teacher you get a report card also of what the student has done on the online test. So once you click on the report card, you will be able to see the test which you have allotted, how many students have actually attempted those tests. If they've attempted, what are the marks, and what is the overview of the comparative overview of the students' performance. So this is an overview of teachers login. I'm just slightly going away from this platform and logging on a point of view of student also, that what they will be able to see. So as you can see, they cannot do anything on the test part, as you were able to see, but rest of the things were available just the way you want. As you can see, there are all the subjects which are available here. Then we have videos, which was available in the teachers tab as well. So all the videos get listed down here, subject wise, concept videos or application videos. This is the Undoubted forum which is available for students. So a student can post the question. They can also see the questions which are raised by other students. Now suppose he doesn't want to know, so he just needs to know my questions. What are my questions and my answers? So he'll just come to know what questions he has posted and whether it's answered or not. Then test, as I was talking about, the test is something, so student has complete repository of revision notes, webinars, so which happen from time to time. It will be a kind of live interaction which will be done by the senior teachers, or most important questions, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks and everything. Now these are the assigned tests. So these are the tests which a teacher assigns to a student. So as you can see, there are 2 physics tests which are assigned, one which we recently did for physics, so that is available here. Now a test not submitted report is here. If you can take a test not submitted, so when you get to know what is the complete performance. And this is for parents, that a lot of time parents say that, okay, I was not aware what my kid was up to, he was sitting on the laptop, he was doing your classes. So how many videos, what we have done, we get to know all those things. So as a parent, okay, you logged in at 12:20, 2:21 and you logged out at 2:44. You did chemical equation part 1, which we just did right now. Then chapter notes on mathematics that we saw. So what are the timings? That a complete record which is kept, so you know what the student is up to. So this is the overall gist of the product. Now I'll just let you know that why we're talking about a platform which is already so detailed. It is available for all the classes. It is available for all the classes from 6 to 12. It is available between 1 to 5 also, but the content is not having videos. So right now we're talking about only 6 to 12, and all the subjects including commerce is available. Now, as I was telling you, why we want a complete platform, because a lot of time it becomes very difficult for us to conduct and make a content every time for a classroom. So we're talking about platforms which are they're like Kahoot, or maybe you want to do something with Google Forms, but you need to create those content, and a lot of time that is not possible because of the time constraint. We are all working from home, and there are a lot of problems which we face while working from home. I have a young daughter, so she keeps coming in. So my suggestion to you is, this is one-stop destination wherein you have probably everything. Now, as a teacher, you can look into 2 aspects of it. One, that you want to give it to your student also. So that is also available. The retail price of this thing is approximately 10,000. So when a student goes and buys it, it is not cheap. So majority of the parents will not like to buy because it's just a recorded thing. So teachers are needed, and it's not a replacement, it's just an extension of what you guys are doing, but this helps you to make it more structured, more planned, and the output is visible. So there are 2 models which we can talk about here. First is, if you're talking about from a point of view of a school or coaching which is having a large number of students, they want to give this platform to all of their students so that they keep a track. They can do that. They can just get in touch with MTT. MTT will share my details once you fill up the form.